So one of the best diamond or platinum perks is the free laundry. So we are getting a chance to take advantage of the free laundry today. This is a 5-day cruise, so we get 2 bags per person in our room. So we're filling up just 1 bag today. This will be our first bag, and this is day 3 of our cruise. So I just wanted you to see, if you did not have the laundry service, basically what the prices are. So they charge you $2 per bra. They charge you $6 per nightgown or pajamas. They charge you $3.50 for polo shirts, socks, underwear. You can see the prices over here. If you wanted to do the dry cleaning services, that's over here. That's if you're coming for, you're doing elegant night and you need your jackets or something. The ship is shaking, guys. That's why the camera's shaking. I'm sorry. It's kind of rough out here today. We had bad rain last night. But anyway, if you wanted to get your 2-piece suit press, $15. Trousers, slacks, evening dresses, $11.50. There is also laundry rooms on the older Carnival ships, all of the ships except for the new Excel, Mardi Gras, Jubilee, Celebration. Laundry is $3.50 a load to wash and $3.50 to dry. So it's a lot cheaper if you just go down to the laundry room. I would bring my pods, I would pack them in a Ziploc bag, and I would put some fabric sheets in there, and I would do my own laundry. But right now, this is the bag, and we have it filled up. So far, we got 2 shirts, 4 pair of socks, a pair of pants, and 2 pair of shorts. I got to change that to 2. And then you leave it on your bed, and when the room stewardess comes, they take it, they bring you back clean laundry. So this is one of the perks of being a brand new platinum member. With that, let's see what this looks like. Friends, look how they folded the shirts. Look at this here. Look at this here. So now that we have become platinum, we will keep the same clothes packed in our luggage. This way, when we're ready to travel and go, everything will be packed. Yes, our pictures, we will have the same clothes on, but I will not have to worry about doing laundry except for our our underwear. We didn't give them any of our underwear or Mouse's underwear to wash. Or we did do socks. So this was really, really cool. And we'll have more laundry to give them tomorrow. And another great perk of being a platinum member is cruises 5 days or more. You get what they call a chocolate delight that you call down to room service and order it. They do have chocolate covered strawberries, but I am allergic to strawberries, so I told them to hold the strawberries. But each person that's in the room that is a platinum or diamond member can order this per your platinum VIP membership. So that's a great perk. You're invited. So, VIP Diamond and Platinum Gathering, Thursday, July 17th at the International Lounge. Miles, your membership in the VIP club comes with perks like this invitation. It's party time. You and a guest are invited to come meet your fellow club members for complimentary drinks. So we all have an invitation. So we're going to go and enjoy that tomorrow. Bring you all.
partner in crime, my right-hand man. He is your entertainment director. Give it up for Luke, everybody. Now, up next, making sure the shift and the tip-top shape, y'all. Him and his team got it taken care of. It's Arlie. He is your housekeeping manager. Of course, the one in charge down there on deck 3 with our amazing guest services team. Give it up for your guest services manager, Natasha. Everybody, he is, of course, your food and beverage director. That's right. Exactly, food and beverage, bam, he got you. And then, of course, making sure they all get paid when they go to that casino. Hey, give it up for Teresa, your finance director. Now the one covering all your drinks that you have in here today, that's right. He is your beverage ops manager. Give it up for Jan. And of course, in charge of this entire beautiful vessel and its hotel operations, give it up for your hotel director, Selma. And of course, in charge down below is your chief engineer, Agostino. And of course, we cannot forget the one and only, not only my captain and your captain, the master of the vessel. Give it up for Michele Papero.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, dear guests. How was the cruise so far? Do you enjoy it? Fantastic. I'm very honored to see you again on board the Carnival Freedom and together with the senior officer that really built the fun to you. And I'm pretty sure that we will see you again and again on our beautiful Carnival ship. So for the moment, thank you very much to everyone and see you next cruise. Ciao.
Wow. And beautiful people, our final VIPF Platinum gift is the silver platinum pin and these cool packing cubes. There was 3 cubes in here. Has nice little hand, so you can pack your, like, maybe your underwear, you know, some small items in here. We like packing cubes. You follow the channel, we use packing cubes. It's easy to pack with, and you can leave your clothes in the cubes and just take your stuff out of the cubes instead of unpacking and then repacking and all that good stuff. But this was our final VIFP Club gift. So far, becoming platinum, we've enjoyed the perks here on this trip. Until we trip again, live your best life, love one another, peace.